my best friend Fanta. She Fanta. Oh, your best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's my best friend. That's you better.
Welcome back, guys. We're here with another video. Today we're doing the mini MunchPak. The MunchPak challenge? Is it a challenge?
It's not a challenge. Well, I don't think it's a challenge. I think they just open it in.
Okay, well, we're trying out the mini MunchPaks. Basically, you get treats sent from all around the world.
Well, okay, I guess we're gonna be doing these videos a lot because it's like a subscription or whatever. We haven't opened it because we were waiting to make the video. So we're gonna see what we got in this one. I'm so sick.
I just got off my cold. I don't need your sickness.
Basically, all we're gonna do is we're gonna try whatever they send us.
We got our nose pierced and we also got our ears pierced. Check us out, girl. Okay, so yeah, we're just gonna get started. Or whatever. What country?
This says, your MunchPak was made with love by Nick. Alright, so for this this MunchPak, we have snacks that are sweet, sour, and gummy.
Oh, I thought that said Germany. I thought that said Germany. Oh, what the freak. Okay.
Okay, so basically in this one we got some chips.
Some like potato chips. Oh, this looks like it's a bubble gum, but I don't know. Oh, maybe we got China.
I don't know. Then we got some fruit roll-up thingy.
Or that's like the that Sour Patch Kids thing. That looks like
Some
a Kit
chocolate
Kat.
bar.
And then basically these are like
The wafers.
the vanilla wafer shits thing. Vanilla.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, so which one do you want to go?
I want to go with the chips first.
Wait, I want to do that last.
You want to leave this one? Damn, I'm hungry. okay, we can go with this first.
Okay. So the first one.
So the first one is this. I'm not sure what it is, but nope. Okay. Here.
Wait. What does it say? We can't read it, right?
No, it's like all I see is peach and crown. I don't know.
Oh, it smells like peach. I don't know if it's gum or candy.
It looks like a gum pan. Is it good?
It tastes like peach. I think it's candy.
It's good. My jaws are cracking. It's making my mouth like watery.
I think it's candy.
No, I think it's gonna turn into gum.
Oh, it's getting harder.
I think it's turning into gum. Maybe not.
It's
That's
good.
good. We'll eat this later. That's good. Okay. Next. Which one do you want the next?
Chocolate. So this one is some nougat with milk chocolate.
What'd you say?
Nougat. It's called Cook La Heat.
Cook la heat.
This is in English.
Oh. That's my best.
Oh, this is from Israel.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna take a piece. Oh.
Oh shit.
It's gonna go all over.
Let me put it right here.
Alright. Chocolate. It's good.
Go, go.
Not that bad.
Girl. You want more? Oh, good. Oh, really good. A crispy bar filled with nougat. The fuck is nougat? Let me see what nougat is, because I'm not supposed to be eating no weird fucking shit now.
If it's in English.
Nougat.
Oh, it's not in English. Oh yeah, it is.
A candy made from sugar or honey, nuts.
Yeah, it says right there.
Egg white.
Sugar nuts, almonds, and hazelnuts.
Okay, how do I say that? Nougats. Ooh, nougats.
Okay, you pick the next one.
Okay. I want to do this one.
Okay.
It's basically the
Oh, that's gonna.
that shit.
Yeah, the sour thingy. It's fat free.
Oh shit. It's fat free?
Yeah.
Oh shit, they trying to make us lose weight.
It's extra sour.
Huh? It tastes like the thing.
It's not even sour.
It tastes just like the ones from over. We didn't even show it. It's a creamy name. But I'll show you, my bad. It kind of looks like the ones that you get from like the corner store at Walmart or something. It's a little harder though.
Where's this one from? Bye.
Dubai?
Some Park Paloma Calabas. Oh, it's Spain. It's from Spain.
If you put a lot in that one, it's that one. Okay, this one is like a vanilla, well, hazelnut cream wafer.
Oh, look in here.
Vanilla cream wafer. I'm saying it's a wafer. It looks like the.
Where's it from? It should say product of.
It's product of. That's. Oh, I see turkey.
Oh my god.
I don't know where it's from, but we're just gonna eat it. Ooh. What the hell? They're baby ones. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god, look how little it is. Oh my god. Oh, that's a nasty. I don't like that. You leave that away. That's just disgusting.
I'm good. You still have it. The last one. This is from the United Kingdom. It's some.
It looks like regular potato chips, but who knows?
Does it have a last thing? Is this these potato chips from the United Kingdom?
I have to eat it again. That's good. It's nasty. I don't like it. It's something, I don't know.
It's weird.
There's something off about it. It has potential to be good.
But then there's a taste.
Yeah, then there's that taste. Like when I first bite it, I'm like, okay, I could eat it. But then I keep biting it, it's like, I don't want it more.
The only thing that we really liked was that thingy. That thing, that peach thing. This. And some of this. Other than that, the other ones were.
It is good. It's very chewy. And like, the more you chew it, that's not what What the fuck?
Nothing fell.
Nothing fell? Am I tripping? What? I just think I getting harder and harder.
I'm good. But yeah. That was the end of this video.
Basically, you'll see more of these types of videos when we get more boxes. You feel me? You feel me? Like, subscribe, comment.
Let us know down below what type of video you guys want us to.
Girl, I was just about to say that.
Okay, my bad. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Comment down below what type of videos you want us to do next, or you want us to see us do challenges, advice, whatever you want. It don't matter. But I got sugar in my lip gloss. But yeah, that's it. Bye.